The skincare and health supplement industries demonstrate that the majority of people are interested in anti-aging. On the other hand, professionals and scientists are more likely to be interested in the reverse, albeit they do not always mean becoming older when they discuss aging. It may also refer to determining the age of something. It's a skill that experts in many industries have mastered, employing a variety of peculiar approaches to identify the origin of objects ranging from planets and stars to musical compositions. A lot of people are aware that prehistoric artifacts can be dated using radiocarbon dating. Aging methods, however, also assist scientists in understanding the origins of the universe and help investigators solve crimes. They even assist in determining the number of centuries that sea turtles have lived, discover how and why individuals carry out all those actions, along with some other astounding methods used by professionals to determine an object's age. Dendrochronology. Counting the rings inside a tree trunk is a basic aging technique that many may have even been taught as youngsters, and it's called dendrochronology. This is made possible by the annual growth of new wood on trees, which varies in composition. Different kinds of wood are produced by many trees according to the season. The color usually seems lighter in the spring and darker in the summer. The rings appear as a result of this. One issue with this approach, though, is how to prevent what happened to a scientist in 1964 when he chopped down a bristlecone pine and later learned that he had just destroyed the oldest tree ever discovered by humans. Scientists employ an apparatus known as an increment borer to prevent this. This can be used to extract a thin sample of the tree's trunk, which can be used to count the rings by screwing it into the trunk of the tree from the outside until it reaches the center. Remarkably, dendrochronology serves purposes beyond determining the age of trees. Additionally, it has been used to locate shipwrecks, including the 1858 loss of the American whaler Dolphin off the coast of Argentina. Static analysis. People used to sign the terms and conditions on paper before they had to click the accept button at the end of them. Yes, that's what they still do for the most critical things, but does it actually help? What if, for instance, someone claims that since they were not present to sign it on the date it is dated, their signature had to be faked? Science also has answers for this. There are methods for aging paper in addition to aging wood. Actually, quite a few. Paper has been coated and whitening techniques have been introduced at various points in history and may also become obsolete. Researchers can place limitations around the potential dates that a piece of paper could have originated by determining the methods that were employed. The same identifying options apply to ink, for which extensive databases exist detailing the various varieties available and their historical usage. These techniques are referred to as static analysis. Additionally, there are dynamic analysis techniques that determine the age of an object by utilizing the inherent variations in paper and ink over time. Fly life cycles. Understanding fly life cycles is really helpful. Not because their lives are especially interesting, but rather because they can be utilized to shed light on homicide investigations. No doubt, Sherlock Holmes would be pleased. In order to determine when the flies on a dead body first appeared, forensic experts first determine what stage of their life cycle the flies are in. They then count backwards in time. The initial step involves observing the fly's size, whether they are internal or external to the body, whether they have set eggs, and what they are consuming. Because flies are incredibly quick at finding bodies, and because their life cycles and behaviors are highly constant, it is possible to utilize this information to determine the time of death. When a body is found long after it has been discovered, it can be challenging to determine the exact time of death, which is why this procedure can provide investigators with this crucial piece of information.